How to log out of Messenger, sign out of Facebook Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Messenger or how you can sign out of your Facebook Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. So let's just open our Messenger application right here. And now actually there is no direct button for you to log out directly from your Messenger account. So what we are going to do is click on the icon right on the top left corner right here. So that is your profile picture, and here you can see many options. So just scroll down and you can see below the switch account option, there is the option account settings. So let's just click on this account settings option right here and wait for it to load. After it has been loaded, just go to the security tab right here where you have three options. So we are going to click on security and login right here. And this will open your Safari or your default browser you have on your phone. So let's focus on this tab where you're logged in. So click on see more to see all the devices or location information on where you have logged in your Messenger or Facebook account. So if you want to log out, let's focus on this three dotted button right here at the right part on a particular device and location. So let's click on this, and then you can see two options. So if you want to log out, just click on the log out option. So I'm just not going to click on it because I don't want to be logged out. But if you want to be logged out, just click on that and it will log you out of your Messenger account from that specific device. And that is how you can log out of Messenger or sign out of your Facebook Messenger. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.